Our Purbeck chippings are most commonly used for driveways and paths, but people also use them for flower borders as well. Decorative areas, small areas like drainage channels and gullies. Like a lot of our other decorative stone chippings, we supply Purbeck in a 14 to 20mm graded size. We find this size is absolutely ideal for driveways. It's big enough not to get caught in the tread of tyres, but it's not too small that it flies around and migrates a lot. The colour palette of this stone is a light creamy grey. You'll have occasional darker tones in there, and you'll have almost whitish tones in there. And in the summer you'll find when it holds less water and it's drier, it'll appear whiter and much lighter in colour. And in the winter, when it holds more water and the weather tends to be a lot damper in this country, it looks a fair bit darker, and you'll notice that it looks a little bit yellower. Now, this light colour tone actually makes it ideal for dark areas. So if you've got an area that doesn't get a lot of sun, or you've got a lot of shading around there from surrounding walling, fencing or hedges, Purbeck's a nice choice because it bounces the light back and just kind of gives a feeling of airy space to an area. It's a fairly neutral colour palette as well, so it suits lots of different house designs. In fact, I don't think I've been to a property with Purbeck where I've thought, actually that doesn't suit the property. So if you're a little bit on the fence about what colour to go for, again, this is a good choice. What's important to remember as well about Purbeck is it is a hard stone, so it doesn't crush down easily. Again, it's why it's nice to use for driveways really, because you don't get it perishing over time, and once you've got it laid, you can use it for years without too much of a worry. A guide for coverage with this product is that 1 tonne covers around 14 square metres. So that's measured out at an approximate 50mm depth. That's the depth you need to not see the stone underneath your top dressing of stone. Of course, this stone is merely made to be a top dressing, and you don't want to spread it too thick. 50mm we find is about optimum. Now we can supply this product loose via one of our tipper vehicles, or you can have it bagged and it'll be delivered via a crane offload lorry. Alternatively, if you live a bit further afield, we can also bag this up and pop it on a pallet and send it via UK pallet network.